An embattled Nairobi County Chief of Staff George Wainaina was today a no-show at the Milimani Law Courts, where he and his co-accused were expected to plead to corruption charges. Well, this, according to his defense team, is owing to ill health. Defense lawyer Cliff Ombeta, who was representing both the accused persons, tabled a document from the Karen Hospital to that effect. Roselyn Oluoch, who appeared before the court, pleaded not guilty to the corruption charges and was released on a 500,000 shilling bond. A mentioned date has been set for Friday, the 15th of this month. The presiding chief magistrate has ordered that an arrest warrant be issued in the event that Wainaina's team fails to give a detailed health report in 7 days.
Roselyn is not employed by the county. She is employed by the Kidore Foundation, and therefore, it being that it's being said she's a public officer who had conspired to bribe officials of the government, then that charge cannot be able to hold. But in case they want to go on with the charge as it is, we know it's going to be a defective charge. But in any case, we are happy with the ruling with the court. The court has insisted that those issues shall be canvassed at that particular time. And also, Mr. Wainaina was not in court today. We had indicated to the court that he had been admitted to Karen Hospital yesterday in the evening. He had gone for a checkup, and his condition had actually turned for the worse. He had been unwell from earlier on because of the pressures of this kind of case. And the court has agreed with us. We had a medical document, though the state was opposing that the document does not disclose issues. We are saying that privileged communication between the doctor and his client cannot be given out to anybody else. But the court has insisted that they want a comprehensive medical report, which shall be able to produce within 7 days. And then charges against Mr. Wainaina can be read.
Right, and we want to speak to our Trix Ngado, who is on that story with more information. Trix, if you can hear me, maybe you can just tell us, Wainaina was arrested on Wednesday evening. At what point did this, sickness come about? Because that's one of the curious issues that is coming up in this particular case. Do we have that information from his lawyers?
Well, the lawyers only chose to bring a document from the Karen Hospital that they did not have much details, but just said that he was experiencing health issues and needed to stay at home to recuperate, so he could not attend the proceedings at the court. But the court insisted that a more detailed report be brought to court so that it can actually give information about the nature of his illness, and actually in failure to bring this report to the court, Wainaina might be charged. An arrest warrant might be tabled against Wainaina in the next 7 days.
So what exactly was supposed to be taking place today if he actually appeared in court?
Wainaina was supposed to come over to the courts and plead to the charges that were being tabled against him, charges of initiating, conspiring, and actually delivering a bribe to Senator Mike Sonko concerning an issue concerning a land plot. So if he were in court today, just like his co-accused Roselyn Oluoch, he would have pleaded guilty or not guilty to said charges.
Right. Thank you very much, Trix Ngado, for that report. We'll be keeping an eye on that developing story.